And so we are done. We are done with that. The next thing that remains is just for us to share our video, to download that. By share, it brings out the option to download. So you come here, you want to download it to your system, or you want to download it straight to social media, and then there are, more options for you. You just have to decide on the one that you want, right? So usually I go download. If you see here, it has us to download it as an MP4 video. The reason why it's saying that is because of this name here that I use that animation for. You remember there is that rise animation here. So that's why it's saying that. So if you want to retain it, if you want to retain that, you can go ahead, right? But if you don't want, you can share it. You can download it as a JPEG file. You can download it as a PNG file. You can download it as a PDF. It really depends on you. I just don't want you to be scared at all of designing because it looks very complicated. It is not. All right. And I'm also going to be doing something in the next video. I want you to find this video, find it. I want you to find a video because I'm going to be showing you how easily, just within a minute or so, the platform that you can use to turn a PNG file, a PDF file to a JPEG file, or JPEG or whatever, how to unzip a file. I know that some people, it's scary for them. I'm going to walk you through all of that. Do not be afraid. The thing about making passive income I've found, and I keep saying that, is that it makes a lot of sense if you get started knowing how to do these things by yourself. And I want you to know how to at least do it, have the preliminary information. Okay. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Find that while I download this. See you guys.